Hello, Wellness Whiz Kids. Are you ready to turn your meals into masterpieces? Today, we'll show you how to transform healthy foods into fun, creative, and super colorful art on your plate. From animal-shaped snacks to rainbow-inspired dishes, eating healthy has never been this exciting. Let's get started. First up, we're going to make a beautiful rainbow out of fruit. It's the perfect way to brighten up your plate and your day. Now, you can use any fruits you like, but we're going with a classic combo: juicy strawberries, sunny oranges, sweet bananas, tangy kiwi, plump blueberries, and gorgeous grapes. First things first, we gotta wash and prep our fruit. You can ask a grown-up to help you with the cutting. We want slices of strawberries, oranges, and bananas. For the kiwi, you can do slices or fun little cubes. And we're keeping our blueberries and grapes whole. Now comes the fun part. Imagine your plate is a blank canvas, ready for a masterpiece. We're going to start by making an arc with our red strawberries at the top. Then we'll add our orange slices, followed by banana, kiwi, blueberries, and finally our grapes to create the bottom arch of our rainbow. Feel free to get creative with the shapes of your fruit pieces. Now our rainbow needs a little something extra, don't you think? Let's add some fluffy white clouds. We're going to use a dollop of creamy yogurt on each end of our rainbow to make it extra dreamy. And there you have it, our very own edible rainbow. Isn't it beautiful? This is such a fun and easy way to get your daily dose of fruits and create something truly amazing. Plus, it's so colorful and inviting, you won't be able to resist taking a big bite. Get ready to flex those creative muscles, Wellness Whiz Kids, because we're about to build our very own edible veggie gardens. It's going to be a fun and tasty adventure. It's time to transform your plate into a whimsical world of fresh, delicious vegetables. Imagine creating a garden you can actually eat. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. This is where the magic begins. We'll need some crisp cucumber slices, adorable baby carrots, juicy cherry tomatoes, and maybe even some other veggies you love. And don't forget a slice of whole grain toast. This will be an important part of our garden. You can also add in any other veggies you love, like broccoli florets for little trees. The more variety, the better. Or bell pepper slices for colorful flowers. These will make our garden look vibrant and lively. The more colorful and diverse our garden, the better. Now let's get prepping and make sure everything is ready. Wash all your veggies thoroughly. Clean veggies are the best veggies. You can ask a grown-up to help you slice the cucumbers into thin rounds. Safety first. We'll use these as the base of our garden, like a lush green lawn. It's the perfect foundation. Next, let's prepare our adorable baby carrots. These will add a pop of color. These will be our vibrant flowers. Arrange them however you like. You can leave them whole or carefully slice them in half lengthwise for a different look. Both ways are great. Now, for the star of our garden, the sun. Every garden needs sunshine. We'll use a bright, juicy cherry tomato to represent the warm sunshine beaming down on our veggie patch. It's the perfect touch. Place it right above our cucumber lawn, letting its vibrant color bring our garden to life. It's like magic. Our garden needs a house, of course. Every garden needs a cozy home. Take your slice of whole grain toast and, with a grown-up's help, carefully cut it into a small square or rectangle shape. This will be our adorable little garden cottage. It's the perfect finishing touch. Place it snugly among your veggies, making it a part of our delicious landscape. It's like a fairy tale on your plate. And there you have it, our very own edible veggie garden, bursting with freshness and fun. Our very own edible veggie garden, bursting with freshness and fun. This is a fantastic way to encourage kids to try new vegetables and get excited about healthy eating. Plus, it's a great bonding activity. Now, who's ready for some adorable animal faces made out of pancakes and rice cakes? Let's get creative. That's right, we're going wild with our next healthy food art creation. It's going to be so much fun. Stay tuned because things are about to get seriously cute and delicious. You won't want to miss it. Chapter 3. Animal Faces Breakfast Buddies. Get ready for some seriously adorable breakfast buddies, Wellness Whiz Kids. Today we're diving into a world of creativity and fun. We're about to transform ordinary pancakes and rice cakes into the cutest animal faces you've ever seen. It's going to be a delightful adventure. And the best part? They're super easy to make and even more fun to eat. You'll love every bite of these adorable creations. First up, we're making a cuddly bear face. This one is sure to bring a smile to your face. For this, we'll need a fluffy whole wheat pancake as our base. It's nutritious and delicious. You can use your favorite pancake recipe or even store-bought ones if you're short on time. Both work perfectly. Just make sure they're nice and cool before we start decorating. This will make it easier to handle. Now, for the bear's ears, grab 2 banana slices. They add a sweet touch. You can use a knife to shape them a bit if you like, making them slightly pointed at the top. This gives them a more realistic look. Place them on top of your pancake, towards the outer edges, to resemble cute little bear ears. It's already looking adorable. Next, let's give our bear some bright, shiny eyes and a button nose. These will bring our bear to life. We'll use blueberries for this. They're perfect for adding a pop of color. Place 2 blueberries close together towards the center of the pancake for the eyes. Make sure they're evenly spaced. Then, add a single blueberry right below for the nose. It's the perfect finishing touch. Our bear is starting to take shape. It's looking more and more like a friendly bear. And there you have it, our adorable bear face pancake is ready to be devoured. It's almost too cute to eat. Isn't it cute? You can almost hear it say good morning with those blueberry eyes. It's a delightful way to start the day. Now let's move on to our feline friend, the cat face. This one is just as fun to make. For this, we'll use a plain rice cake as our base. It's light and crispy. Rice cakes are light, crispy, and provide a nice blank canvas for our cat creation. Perfect for decorating. To create those adorable cat ears, we'll use almond butter. It's tasty and nutritious. You can spread a thin layer of almond butter onto the top edges of the rice cake, shaping them into pointy triangles. This will form the ears. Almond butter is not only delicious, but it also acts as an edible glue, keeping our cat ears in place. It's a great choice. Now for the cat's whiskers. These will add a fun touch. We'll use thin slices of apple for this. They add a nice crunch. You can cut them yourself or ask a grown-up to help you. Safety first. Arrange the apple slices on either side of the rice cake, slightly overlapping each other to create the illusion of whiskers. It's looking great, and voila! Our cute cat face rice cake is complete. It's a masterpiece. It's almost too cute to eat. Almost! You'll love every bite. The combination of the crispy rice cake, creamy almond butter, and sweet apple slices is simply perfect. It's a delightful treat. Remember, these are just 2 examples, and you can let your imagination run wild with different animal faces. The sky's the limit. Try a monkey with a peanut butter banana base and raisin eyes, or a pig with a strawberry nose and pretzel stick ears. The possibilities are endless. Have fun and get creative. Chapter 4. Silly Sandwiches. Snack time fun. Get ready for some serious snack time fun. Wellness Whiz Kids, because we're about to make the silliest, most delightful sandwiches you've ever seen. These aren't your average sandwiches, though. These are filled with creativity, healthy ingredients, and a whole lot of smiles. First things first, let's gather our supplies. We'll need some slices of whole grain bread, your favorite cookie cutters, crisp cucumber slices, colorful bell peppers, and a little bit of cream cheese for the finishing touches. Now let's get creative. Take a slice of bread and use a cookie cutter to cut out fun shapes. You can make stars, hearts, animals, or anything else you can think of. Once you've cut out your shapes, it's time to decorate. Use cucumber slices to make eyes, bell pepper rings for smiles, and a tiny dollop of cream cheese to add a twinkle to those eyes. These silly sandwiches are not only delicious and nutritious, but they're also a great way to get kids excited about eating their veggies. The fun shapes and colorful decorations make them irresistible. You can even get the kids involved in the process. Let them choose their favorite cookie cutters, help wash and prepare the veggies, and decorate their own sandwiches. It's a fun and interactive activity that the whole family can enjoy. Chapter 5. Snack Skewers on the Go. Fun! Get ready for the easiest, most portable, and undeniably fun snack idea ever. Wellness Whiz Kids Snack Skewers. They're perfect for lunchboxes, after-school treats, or even a quick bite on the go. Plus, they're so colorful and customizable, everyone can create their own personalized snack masterpiece. Now, for this delicious adventure, we'll need some wooden skewers. You can find them at most grocery stores, usually in the kitchen supplies aisle. And of course, the stars of the show are snackable ingredients. We're going with a classic combo of cheese cubes, juicy cherry tomatoes, and sweet green grapes. But feel free to get creative and add your favorites like berries, melon chunks, or even mini pretzels. First things first, wash your fruits and veggies thoroughly to ensure they're clean and safe to eat. Then, with the help of a grown-up, cut the cheese into bite-sized cubes. Now comes the fun part, threading our skewers. Let's start with a cheese cube, followed by a cherry tomato, then a grape. Continue this pattern until your skewer is nicely filled, leaving a little space at the bottom for easy handling. The beauty of snack skewers is that you can create endless variations. Make them rainbow-themed by arranging the ingredients by color. Or go for a flavor adventure by alternating sweet and savory bites. Snack skewers are not only visually appealing, but they also encourage kids to eat a variety of healthy foods. The combination of textures and flavors makes snacking more exciting and enjoyable. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and fun snack idea, ditch those processed snacks and grab some skewers. With a little creativity and some simple ingredients, you can create a snack that's as delicious as it is nutritious. Happy snacking, Wellness Whiz Kids! Remember, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. So let your creativity run wild and have fun. Thanks for joining us today, Wellness Whiz Kids. We hope you're excited to create your own healthy food art. Remember, eating healthy can be delicious and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative and nutritious ideas. See you next time. Bye!